Hello, and welcome back to our fourth lesson on hiragana. If you missed the previous lessons, then please make sure to check them out on our channel. Alright, let's get started. This lesson is split up into 3 sections. In the first section, you will watch the strokes of each letter 3 times. Your job is to watch and learn from them. In the second section, you will learn the details of each letter. And in the last section, you will write along with the screen with your finger. This is ma. It has 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. This first stroke starts from the left here, and goes across like this and ends here. The second stroke starts from the left again, goes across, and ends here. The third stroke starts from the very top, goes down, crosses with the first and second stroke, makes a swirl, and ends here. This is mi. It has 2 strokes, 1 and 2. The first stroke starts on the top left, goes across to the right, diagonally down to the left, makes a swirl, and ends at the right, like this. The second stroke starts from the right, it goes down, crosses with the first stroke, and ends with a slash. This is mu. It has 3 strokes. 1, 2, and 3. The first stroke starts from the left, goes across, and ends here. The second stroke starts from the top, goes down, makes a swirl, goes back down again, and to the right, and upward slash like this. The third stroke is beside the first and second stroke, and starts here, and ends here. This is me. It has 2 strokes, 1 and 2. The first stroke starts from the left, goes down like this, and ends here. The second stroke starts from the top right, goes across, crosses with the first stroke, goes up, and crosses again with the first stroke, goes down, and then ends with a slash to the left. This is mo. It has 3 strokes, 1, 2, and 3. The first stroke starts from the left, goes across to the right like this, and ends here. The second stroke, like the first stroke, starts from the left, goes across to the right, and ends here. The third stroke starts from the top, goes down, and crosses with the first and second stroke, and goes upwards like this, and ends with a slash like this. Let's say mami mume mo 3 times out loud so that you won't forget. Ready? Go. Mami mume mo. Mami mume mo. Mami mume mo. Good job. This is ya. It has 3 strokes, 1, 2, and 3. The first stroke starts from the left, goes across to the right, and makes a backwards C like this and ends with a slash. The second stroke starts from the top, goes down like this, and ends with a slash to the left. The third stroke starts from the top left, goes down, crosses with the first stroke, and ends here. This is you. It has 2 strokes, 1 and 2. The first stroke starts on the top left, goes down like this, and goes up all the way around to the right, back down, and ends upwards like this. The second stroke starts from the top, crosses with the first stroke twice, and ends with a slash. This is yo. It has 2 strokes, 1 and 2. The first stroke starts on the left, goes across to the right like this, and ends here. The second stroke starts on the top, touches the starting point of the first stroke, goes down, makes a swirl, and ends here. Let's say ya you yo 3 times out loud so that you won't forget. Ready? Go. Ya you yo. Ya you yo. Ya you yo. Good job. If you want to learn more, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you won't miss the new lessons when it becomes available. And if you want to learn anything else related to Japanese, please let us know by writing down on the comment section below. Thank you.